Hello.
You are watching the Doodleverse. It is a YouTube drawing lessons channel. Today we are going to draw
Zeke from the video game and cartoon Toca Boca.
For this, we will need a drawing album, a pencil, an eraser, and colored pencils or markers. Let's start drawing from the head, okay?
Yes.
Draw a circle. Draw a big circle. The characters from Toca Boca have big heads. Let's draw the hood right away. Draw another circle around the head. And at the bottom, make it like this. Complete the shape similar to a triangle. Now, let's draw his hairstyle. It's very simple. Follow my lead. Now, let's draw his eyes. Draw one circle. And draw another circle. Now, let's draw his eyebrows. Draw one like this. And the other one is covered by his hair. Well done! Now, let's draw his nose. The nose is here. And below, draw his smile. Well done! Now, let's draw cat ears on his hood. Well done! Now it's time to draw his clothes. First, let's finish the ties of his hood. And after that, draw his body. Draw two lines first. And between them, draw a rectangle. It will be the pocket on his hoodie. Then, draw the end of his upper garment. Now, draw his pants and legs. First, draw the floor. Draw one leg. Round it at the bottom. That will be his foot and shoe. Do the same for the other leg. Oh Moana, it doesn't look very good. Let's redraw it. Draw him wider legs. We drew the shape of the legs. Now, let's draw his footwear. First, draw the soles of his sneakers. Then, outline his pants. And now, draw the laces on his sneakers. And on his pants, draw some holes. Done. Now, what's left for him to draw?
Let's draw his arms.
Now, let's draw his palms. And do the same on the other hand.
Done.
Now, set aside the pencil and take markers to outline our drawing. And now, set aside the markers. Take an eraser to remove all the unnecessary lines. Now, set aside the eraser and take colored markers to color our drawing.
We've drawn a real Zeke.
Yes, let's show how it turned out. Do you like it?
Yes,